Hello, here we are in Hemsby today. Someone told me that there's a shop here that sells gothy items, so I thought we'd come here for a day out at the seaside, and I'm going to show you that shop, and I'm going to show you some of the other shops and cafes and what you can do while you're in Hemsby. So we just got off at Beach Road, and now we're going to walk up here to the seafront. On the way down there, you're walking past loads of holiday camps. This is the Richardson's Caravan one, and then right opposite is the Cedar Chalet one. And this is the Bel Air holiday camp. There's chalets as well. We're going to go and look in this shop because up there it says Gothic, and so we're going to have a look in there. I'm going to have to shout because my microphone is packed up and it's very loud and very windy here. But these are the houses on the top of the Hemsby cliff. And the poor people that live here have lost their houses, or some of them have, because they've fallen off the edge of the cliff. The government have done nothing to help these people at all, and yet all the shops and cafes and the tourists that you just saw me show you walking through Hemsby are bringing money to the government, and yet they won't spend any money on sea defences to help these people with their houses. And these rocks here were put there by the person that had the house at the top of this cliff out of his own money to help so he wouldn't lose his house, and he still did. So in the description I put a link to the charity which is going to help these people. They're raising money for sea defence and they need a lot of it. If you're coming on holiday here, please think about that and just give whatever you can to these people that are losing their homes. Here's what I bought today. Some little signs and a postcard with a black shark, and now we're on the bus back to lovely Lowestoft.